Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review a new hair product, which is the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Voluminizer. I've been wanting to try this so bad. I have something similar to this, but it's by John Frieda, so it's a few years old. So I wanted to try a brand new hair dryer and test it out and see if it is really good. Alright, so I've never used this. I just got it in the mail the other day. I'm going to test it out. So it comes with this cord, and that's pretty much it. And it has, let's see, some settings. It says off, cool, low, and high. I'm going to definitely use it on high because I have really thick hair and it's curly. So let's just see how well this works. It's pretty big. It's like, I mean, it's as big as my head, but it's not very heavy, which is good. So it's probably really good for travel as well. Okay, I'm going to try it out. So I'm just going to put my hair back. I section it off and I twirl this up, little top knot, and clip it. Let's test this hair dryer out. So far, I really like the way it has done. It's really shining, actually. I don't know if you can see, it's like... Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my hair. That's really nice. mean, so far, I mean, I really like it. It totally did it faster than my other handheld hairdryer. And I feel like I can, okay, so I have like pieces of hair here, but that's because of pregnancy hair or postpartum. But, oh my gosh, it's awesome. I actually really like this hairdryer. Let's see. Yeah. So I highly recommend this hairdryer. I think it's around $60 at Ulta. This is where I got it from, Ulta. But I had like $50 credit, so I only paid $7 for it, which for $7, this is awesome. But even for $60, it's great. So I'm definitely gonna probably be using this over my John Frieda, which the John Frieda one is really good too, but I feel like this one's way better. It really, it's not, my hair's not frizzy, which sometimes the John Frieda one leaves frizz in my hair, but this is actually a really good turnout. So I highly recommend this if y'all want to get this, and I'll put the link down below, but you can get it from Ulta or anywhere really. Thank you guys for watching my channel, and definitely try this out. I'm just looking at it. Yeah, it does give it volume too, which is awesome. I definitely need to get a haircut, so.
Speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you.